Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk about interpretation. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about interpretation by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we put the square for the both sides to cancel about the square root. Next, I will put number 3 go to the left. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. This one we have 2u. This one that is about the constant, so you got number 0. This one we have 3x squared. This one that is about number 6. This one that is about number 3. So we need to multiply both sides by number 2. So number 3, number 2, and number 2, we have 12. And now we need to change the bounds. When x equals to number 0, that is from here. So we put number 0 gone here to find the value of u. So this one we have u equals to the square root of number 2 over number 3. When s equals to number 2, that is from here. So I will put number 2 gone here so we can find the value of u. That is about the square root of number 10 over number 3. So we put this one gone here. Number 2 we change for this one. This one we change for u. S squared d 6s squared ds, that is about this one, and we need to change for this one. So number 12 gone here. U and u we have u squared. The integration of u squared, that is about u to the power of 3 over 3. And then we put the bounds from this one to this one. So number 12 divided by number 3, we have number 4. And now we have the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.